Occasionally you'll have epic failures, like it's one of the most frustrating projects that I've worked on, but I also learned a lot from it. So here are some tips for failing well. Grit is strength of character. It's courage and resolve and the ability to stick with it when something gets tough. It doesn't matter if what they make isn't going to last more than a week. It's the building process that's the important part. Really? I didn't even use this stuff today. It's everywhere! Today, I'd like to tell you a story. There's about a half-inch gap in between them, and into that half-inch gap had fallen this customer's credit card. Any one of my tinkering students could come up with at least 3 solutions like that. Whoa, what are those stuffed animals doing in the rafters? We need to build something to get them down safely. Among my tools is this hook knife. Looks mad, I know. This is Wonder Woman in her PJs. This is intended to be like the most comfortable costume I've ever worn. That'll do. Screwdrivers? No, like drills and jigsaws and chop saws. And it works better than you'd expect. See, there's one particular thing about being a kid that is perfect for learning tools. Learning is their full-time job. When I started posting things there, I didn't have a strong understanding of my style of artwork. But a few months in of posting things like all the time, I was looking what I'd done and started noticing some patterns. 3D scan of my head? Why don't I have a 3D scan of my head? I love doing Barb Makes Things, but doing it the same way that I've been doing it isn't gonna work. I wanna do something bigger and more spread out. I'd like to make more big, weird musical instruments. I wanna do coding and electronics again. I wanna do stop motion and collaborate with friends. I'd like to talk more about the process, from sourcing my materials to learning the skills I need to time management. Young tinkerers, I got a message for you. You will soon enter a phase in your life where people will try to tell you that being excited about things isn't cool. This is a lie. Being a geek is awesome.